Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's a Manes here and I'm here with another video on Paws. And of course, Paws have made a very huge announcement today, and they have announced their listing date, which of course I'll be going over very soon. And stay tuned, I'll be showing you how to claim Paws on the listing date. And of course, in this video I'll be covering the price at which Paws will be listed at. So just stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and watch the video till the very end so you won't miss out on any important information. So this thing I highlighted right there, they said introducing Diamond Paws. Of course, Diamond Paws is a role in our Discord that holds of if you owe 10 plus voucher. So it's for basically people who hold vouchers up to 10. Each voucher is about I think it's 300,000 Paws. That's not the real Paws token but the original what we mine. So that's just it for that information. Let's just go to the next thing, which is the listing date, and that's what we all came here for, right? So Paws have announced their listing date. The ticker is Paws, of course. So this is like a puzzle, and the last piece is Paws to complete the puzzle. So that's the reason why they said the ticker is Paws, and is listing on the 18th of March 2025, which is just about a few days from now, and about 2 weeks. So everybody just stay tuned and just watch out how this plays out. So of course, Paws will be listed at a good, probably a good price. So let's just see how it goes. All right guys, so rumor has it that Paws total supply will be 100 billion. Why did I say rumor? It has not been officially announced by Paws itself. So also this of course is true. Paws listing will be done on centralized exchange and decentralized exchange, but the claiming, note the difference. The claiming and the listing are two different things. So you can actually claim to one of them and not claim to the other. So basically Paws will be listed on centralized exchanges like Bitget, Binance, and other ones, and also decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and the other swaps, Pancake Swap, and the other ones that are decentralized exchanges. But note this, the claiming would most likely not be directly to decentralized exchanges. Rather, it will be in your wallet, e.g. your Phantom wallet and your Soulflare wallet, that's the Solana wallet, since this project will be actually listing on Solana blockchain. So that's the reason why I said this, and you should have this at the back of your mind. The internet is an actual great place to actually just make good money from doing little to nothing, and that's the reason why this project Spark Chain, of course, which I'm trying to introduce, is a very good project, just like Grass, of course. So the project will be, of course, listing in the second quarter of 2025, which is just within the next few months. So within the next 3 months it will be listed. So if you are interested, kindly check the pinned comment and in the description of this video, and you'll see a link to Spark Chain. It's just like Grass. I did a video covering it as well. You can just check it out and then watch and register, download the extension, and just start mining. And of course, trust me, you're going to make hundreds to thousands of dollars from this project. So that's just it. So let's come back to Paws, of course. And as I said, since Paws total supply will be about 100 billion, if the Paws total supply is about 100 billion, and they said about okay, let's just assume about 70% will be circulating. 70% of 100 billion is about 70 billion. 70% will be on circulation, or let's say 75% will be in circulation. So 75%, if 75% will be in circulation and the total supply is 70 billion, and my allocation is about 7,000 or 6,000, currently 6,500. So I'm going to calculate the listing price. So what I personally know is that most small projects don't actually raise enough funds. So I don't know for Paws. I don't know how it's going to be on that listing date. I've actually checked. There is no strong backing for Paws. So I'm going to assume, and I'm going to do this calculation for them as a small project. Basically, they will personally raise about 80, let's say $40 million, and then what they will be using as the market cap to actually pump the coin will just be maybe 80, let's say. With the help of some persons and investors, they might be able to get up to $80 million market cap. So if they get a $80 million market cap with a 70 billion circulating supply, 70 billion, which of course is crazy, 70 billion circulating supply, this will be their listing price. If the rumored total supply is actually right, that's the thing. So for me that has about 6,500 tokens, I'll be making just around $7. And this seems very real because why did I say this? Because I not really spend much money on this. And if they give me $7, to be honest, I will be mad. I'm just being honest with you. I'll be mad because yeah, I spent money. I don't have to spend a lot so much on it for you to know that I actually spent something on it. I spent my time and my effort into making this project work for me and increase my allocation. So that's really crazy if you say, oh, you did not spend so much money. No. Yes, sometimes you need to spend money to actually increase your allocation, but sometimes you spend a little and you invest a lot because crypto, uh, or so I should say, airdrops have actually taught us a lot in the past few months. For instance, what Toe Market did and ate a lot of money and rock pulled the community. So that was very bad. That was a bad experience for everybody. So everybody is trying to control how they spend, but don't FOMO, and also don't get scared. Don't fall as well. So that's the thing. So and right now I'm going to go to the next thing, how to claim on Phantom. I'm going to show you the steps on how to claim. So basically I will go back to Paws web page, of course. So once I open Paws, that's their page, and then I will show you some message that they actually dropped there. So they said claim will be available via Paws.community. Paws.community is actually that place that we did our airdrop checker, and all that. So that's the website. That's Paws website. So I've clicked on it and I'm waiting for it to open. So yeah, okay. I think it's loading up and it will soon open. Okay, I might be having a little bit network issue, so let's just wait for it to load up, and if it doesn't, I try another method. All right, so what I did was to copy the Paws website, that's Paws.community, and I'll paste it on my Phantom, and I'll show you guys how to actually claim, step by step guide. All right, so this is the Phantom. As you can see, I'm currently in this place, and here is an NFT that I minted from Big Doctor AI. So where you have to go to is this other place right here. Big Doctor AI is another great project, of course, so I won't really say much about it. I did a video covering it. So basically what you have to do now is search for the website right there. So that's all you have to do. Press the website. So that's the website, paws.community/app. So once this page actually opens, it will take a while, of course. So once it opens, you verify yourself firstly using Phantom Wallet. As usual, you do the necessary things. So as you can see, here is my Phantom Wallet. I have shown this before. Here is my Paws, of course, sorry. So that's basically my balance, and I will show you guys what I got as my allocation. So once you get to this page right here, you click on claim, and when you click on claim, so this page will clearly appear after you click on claim. So what you have to do is click on next, and here is my Paws allocation. So once the claiming starts, this button will be activated and you click on claim. Okay, so when you click on claim, a page will actually pop up. Once the page shows up, they will, but what you need for the claiming is basically a little bit of Solana, about $2 worth of Solana or so. But I will encourage you to have at least $2 worth of Solana to avoid any complication on the listing date. So once you do that, you click on this claiming right here. Click on this claiming. Click on it to claim. After you've claimed, the page will pop up, and once it pop ups, you sign in. And once you sign in, they will deduct a little bit, although they will not deduct all the Solana. It just be maybe around 0.1 Solana, if at all they will take anything for the gas fee, to be around 0.1 Solana, and they will refund the rest. So you just need it to show that, okay, yeah, you have enough Solana to actually complete the transaction. And once you done that, you convert this particular Paws right here, this Paws token, to you send it to your Phantom wallet, and from there you can actually convert to USDT or any other token of your choice. It's easy peasy, right? Sure, it is. So anyway, if you've actually watched this video to the very end, of course, don't forget to join our WhatsApp community. The link will also be in the description, and this is where I drop all the necessary updates that you'll be needing to actually move through the crypto world. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, of course, and see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.